Oh, Bante. You want to pass here? When come, you want to close the door. Good boy. Oh, good. Say hi. Say hi. I just came for my 18 months appointment, right? Good boy. Me dear. Wow, baby boy.
Enter. Climb.
See, Daddy, I need your help. Take it.
Now this guy, Jimmy.
Is it coming here?
Watch me drew a fin.
See what my boy has done to himself. Pouring puri. Is it okay?
This is clear.
Guys, I'm just doing this. It's very late. I want to do this before I go to bed. So I have this package from SHEIN and this from Amazon. First of all, let's do this one first. So these are my baby and my thing. Since my husband owned or something like that. Let's see what has come first. So our baby boy has really outgrown most of his shoes, so we decided to get him at least a pair of shoes for now. The last time we got him some 2 pieces clothing and I don't know if this is. Let me open this up. This one. I think this will be my 2 pieces. If it's like this, then I don't like the color because the color wasn't yellowish like this. Oh, okay, yeah. This is the color. So this one is Liz's coat. Yeah. So guys, see how it is. I don't know why I chose medium. I should have just selected small, but I will be big very soon. So I will be rocking it for you guys to see how it is. And this one, I think this is my husband on this one, or baby Kelly, I don't know. Okay, this is baby Kelly. Baby Kelly, because the daddy has black hat and black cap, so I decided to get him so that he will rock it. Guys, can you see how it is? The camera is far from me, and I think I'll even do voiceover. This is the highlight of this shopping because we really want a pair of shoes for our baby boy. Most of his shoes are not fitting anymore. They are very tiny. So this is how it is. See how cute it is. Look at the down. How do you see it? I like the color. It's very neutral and nice. it was 2. Oh my god, guys, see this one. Can you see? Oh my goodness, this is cute. Huh. Let's open this big one. Let's see what is inside.
So t-shirt and some of them. Some other shoes come.
That one is slippery. Okay, look at one. And this sandals.
Oh, but this might look
This
small.
is small. Oh god.
Yeah.
Maybe you just rock
You
it there.
just wear it small, but it's nice. But
So this is another cross sandals, but I see this is very small. Maybe I didn't pick the good size. And I think these are my clothing. Oh no, this is baby Caleb's things. Hey, it's too big, goodness.
oh God. I think when you buy,
This is my baby.
I grew it quick. So.
See, my baby, I thought it was even my clothing. My baby sleepwear. It looks so big. Oh. We bought him sleepwear pajamas when we were at different states. The pajamas is growing with my baby boy. He's getting to 2 years, but the pajamas looks like is bigger. But we bought it before he giving clocking 6 months.
So see this one
Where is size?
is I believe this is just from the children's palace inside mall. That's their tag, but I don't know. This Caleb again.
This is Caleb again. Goodness.
Oh my
Ah
God.
no. This
What
is
size
too
did
big.
you choose?
I chose 3 to there. You know, sometimes they are small. No, this is
SHEIN.
5 years. Yeah, SHEIN.
Hey.
Oh my
I mean, when
god.
you buy 2-3 years, it's small. So
Yeah, because
that's how you also.
yeah, when you buy 2 or 3 years, when it will come and it's very small.
Oh my God.
But I didn't know that selecting 4 or 5 years will be like this. So my baby boy will grow with it. This one, or that, this one will serve as blanket. This is crazy. Baby Caleb again. So it was 3 sleepwears. All are sleepwears. All of them are sleepwears. I never knew that it would be like this long. No, this is too much. This one, Charles grab it much. Ah,
At least when you want.
at least I can't wear him now.
Next time, yeah.
This one, I can't wear him my very now. I will keep it when he clocked 2 years past class. And this is my head. Baby like this. Guys, I'll show you, I'll paste the picture so that you guys can see. Look at this tiny. How can I braid my hair with this? I thought it's big though. Guys, thank you for watching, and guys, more things are on the way, so when I will quickly do the unboxing and you guys should know what we ordered. But in all, I love this my coat. I've been wanting to get these blazers.
Did you just buy 1 or 2?
I think it's one.
One with you
And
add
this
black.
cap for my boy.
Yeah, this cap.
So
The
this
other one
is-
was small. This one, I think little.
Yeah.
She is also.
And the shoes, so far the shoes, these shoes and these are the only good things that I ordered, like what I wanted versus what I got, or what I ordered versus what I got. And these things have disappointed me. I never knew that it's too big. I never knew. And this hair too. I just hope this hair I can braid my hair with it. If not,
How
I
can you
don't know.
play your hair with this one?
It's just small.
Okay.
I was thinking second also. So,
You just count 3, 3 and do it.
huh?
So the hell is it that they'll count 3, 3 and use it to play this?
I'll show the picture so that you guys will judge. They have disappointed me, but in all, it's nice. I was thinking it's plenty. So,
Maybe you have to
bye.
we order the same thing.